Welcome back, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how I created this cool text effect. I only have one favor. If you learned anything in this tutorial, press the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. All right, let's get down to business. All right, so we are starting off with a YouTube thumbnail. It is the size of 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. And we're going to head on over to the elements section, and I'm going to place a video on my workspace. Now, this video is just a video of smoke, which lasts about 20 seconds. I'm going to leave that video right there, and I'm going to create another page. On this page, I'm going to place some text. And for my text, I'm going to type in my text box in all caps, text reveal. And I'll make that a little bit larger, like that. Now I'm going to go back to elements, and I'm going to grab a shape. And for the shape, I'm going to make the shape black, because what I want to do is I want to create a layer, a clipping mask layer. So I'm going to change the color of that shape to black, and I'm going to go to position layers, and I'm going to send it to the back. And so I should have the text in front now, and we can't see it, but let's change the text color to white. And so now we can see that text. I'm going to take the shape and just make it a little bit larger, like that. Not too large, because I still want a lot of white around my shape. I'm going to come to share, and I'm going to download the second page, but I want to download it as a PNG, and I only want page 2. Done, and I'll download that, and I'll create a new page. All right, let's bring that image back in. And what we're going to do is we are going to remove the background. So I'll click BG Remover, and let's go back into BG Remover just to make sure that the background was removed behind the text. Okay, so let's go back, and let's crop the image a little bit, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Now, it's not going to fit our whole slide. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some shapes to fill in the white space on the top and on the bottom. So I'm going to go over to elements, and I'm going to grab a shape, and I'm going to make this shape a little bit larger, and I'm going to shade it black. I'll take a copy, and I'll bring that down here. And now we've got our text with black all the way around it. Now, what we want to do is we want to hide that text 100%. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to position and layers. We're going to click the background, and we're going to make that background black. Now, what we're going to see is a little bit of that white shadow around the text, and we can fix that by going into Edit, going into Dual Tone, selecting the Custom option, changing highlights all the way to black, and the shadows all the way to black. And once you do that, you won't see that text at all. All right, what we're going to do next is we're going to take a copy of slide 3. So Control C, Control V, and we're going to go back to page 1. We're going to take a copy of this video. We're going to go to page 4. We're going to paste it. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to set it or replace my background. So now that video is now my background. All right. Let's go back. Let's click on duration, and let's bring the play button all the way here. And before we take a look at how it's going to play, I'm actually going to go back to slide 4, I'm going to go to position and I'm going to select that background, and I'm going to reduce the video speed. So I'm going to reduce it all the way down to 0.25 seconds. All right, so let's close my side panel. Now, why do I have this black screen here? That's because there's no way to set the timing for the video to start later on. And I want a little bit of a black screen so that you can see the smoke coming in. So I want a little bit of a delay. So I'm actually going to select the timing on that third slide, and I'm going to bring it down to about 3 seconds. Now, when we click on our video, we can see it's 53 seconds long. We definitely don't need a video that is 53 seconds long, so we're going to bring it down to about 8 seconds. Maybe a little bit longer. And that's something you'll need to play with. All right. And then when you're done, you can either delete slide 1 and slide 2, or you can just right click on them and hide them, and then download your final design. And that's pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, press that like button, press subscribe. And if you want to learn more about Canva, join my YouTube channel membership. I go live every single week. Turn that notification bell on because sometimes I give away freebies. For now, my friends, I'll say bye-bye until next time.